Hello guys, welcome to my channel Late Night Eat Talk Show. I welcome you all over here. So tonight we are gonna talk about the topic of Tratak. I have told about Tratak a lot of times in my videos before, but I never explained what it exactly is. Tratak is a kind of meditation that focuses on the third eye, and it gives you a very amazing gaze in your eye that anybody who looks at you, they get spellbound to you. They cannot say no to you for anything. They are totally spellbound to you once they see in your eyes. That is the type of power your eyes can gain just by doing Trataka. So, what is Tratak? Well, Tratak is an old kind of meditation written in Rig Veda like thousands of years ago, and people even do it still till nowadays, and it is very effective. So, Trataka is the meditation that focuses on your eyes most of the time or the forehead. So, how do we begin it? I'll just tell you guys the beginner process of how you can begin. There are various ways, whichever one suits you guys. You can try that because I guarantee you, if you do Trataka for 21 days, you will feel a different glow on your face and your eyes will have a different spark in them right after, even if you do Tratak for 21 days. Anything in meditation you do for 21 days, you will feel the difference. So, in Trataka, for example, the first exercise I can tell you guys is like take a candle and sit like 6 or 7 feet apart from it. The candle should be set up right in front of your eyes. Like, all you got to do is like watch at the candle for as long as you can without blinking your eyes. In the starting, you can do it for less time, like some can do it for 1 minute, some can do it for 2 minutes, some will be able to do it for 4 minutes. It depends on the person, but you got to keep on watching the flame till your eyes blink. And when your eyes blink, you got to close your eyes and visualize that flame of the candle exactly as you are seeing it while you was with your eyes open. You got to visualize that flame of the candle in between your forehead, like right between the eyebrows. That's where you got to visualize the flame of the candle. You have to put all your focus on the candle flame when you start, and keep looking at it as long as you can without blinking your eyes. That's the way, like the first basic method to start Trataka meditation. This helps in eyesight also, not just it will give you a very amazing or a beautiful gaze that people get attracted to you. Whoever looks into your eyes and you say them anything, there are 90% chances that they will do it for sure for you. But, well, this was the first type of meditation, the first exercise in Trataka I told you guys. There are various other ones too. Like, for example, the first one I told you about was Candle Trataka. Now there is another one called Bindu Tratak. This Tratak is like, it was originated in the Rig Veda, like a Ved like 14,000 years ago in Hindu mythology. That's where the practice of this is written. So it is really ancient and workful. All you got to do is like use your brain and focus in this, and it actually helps a lot with your focus problems. Like your focus will be so good even if you try it for 3 4 days. Now the second meditation I was talking about was Bindu Trataka or dot Trataka. Bindu means a dot in English. Bindu in Sanskrit means a dot in English. So to do that, you got to take a piece of paper and make a circle inside it. Highlight the whole circle black in color, like totally black. It should be like of around 3 centimeter radius minimum or 4 maximum, not more than that. Then you got to stick that paper on the wall and you got to keep watching only on the dot not on the paper, only on the dot. Every day you got to keep doing it. Just keep watching the dot without blinking your eyes for as long as you can do that. You have to look at it whenever your eyes start closing. Imagine that bindu or the dot, same way as you was imagining the candle in between your forehead. These exercises I'm telling you is for like the people who want to go into hypnosis, or like the kind of stuff where you like easily charm people just by your looks and make them do whatever you can, because this thing is actually very powerful. It helps a lot actually. You can try it for 21 days and then comment me and tell me the difference. So I told you guys like two exercises, one with the candle, because these are the beginner ones. After that we will talk about the advanced exercises also. But this one is a, what do you say, beginner exercises. These two you can start with any, or you can do both of them one by one. The more practice you do, the more better you get. You will get a weird glow on your face, like it will be red as tomatoes, and your eyes will be like glittering all the time once you start doing it. So it is up to you guys, whichever one you want to try, like whether you want to try the dot bindu tratak technique by making a 3 centimeter radius dot and coloring it with black sketch pen, and then looking at it for as long as you can without closing your eyes. When you close your eyes, you visualize the dot, and you have to do it for like 15 to 20 minutes every day at least. It's not like you just open your eyes once and when they closed, you visualize it and the exercise is done. No, you got to spend like around 15 minutes on this every day, whether it is with a candle or whether it is with a dot thing on the paper. And the distance you should have should be like 6 feet, 6 to 5 feet between the dot or the candle and you. That's how much the distance should be. But make sure that the dot or the candle flame, whatever it is situated right in front of your eyesight, not below, not above, right in front of your eyesight. And you guys can try this and let me know, because this thing, it helps in hypnosis and so many things. Like people get spellbound to you if you use these type of things. That's why I'm telling the basics of Trataka. I have talked about it in the previous videos of hypnosis that I made, that if you can do Tratak, you don't even need to learn hypnotizing anyone. You can hypnotize anyone just by looking in their eyes, just like Itachi in Naruto. But yeah, these two exercises, they are the basic practice exercises to start into Tratak meditation. It is a whole different field of meditation. This is the meditation for the third eye, for your focus. Other meditation is for the Kundalini awakening. It goes from one chakra to another. But this one is straight for the third eye. That's why it's called Tratak meditation. So I think I have made it clear that two exercises you guys can do. If you try it for 21 days, I guarantee you that you guys will find some change. A lot of changes actually. Your focus will be more, your intuition will be more. Like you can do even lucid dreaming easily if you are good at Tarataka. But the thing is, you don't have to stop it. If you want to start, at least do it for 21 days to get the best results. Well, I think that will be all for today. And thank you very much. Please like, subscribe my channel if you like it.